Actually, the this physical show like TTF and the other shows also. So this is one of the platform where travel agent meet, and actually na यहाँ से from this sector, no, from this TTF we get the vibes of working again, to grow up again. Like sitting at a home, no, we feel like the industry is going down, we are not doing that much. So when we come to this type of show, na, here we'll get the boost up that industry is open, people are there to support us, and again we'll do something in this year. Actually, before I came here, I was not expecting this much response which I get in this market, but actually it is really good. I was expecting maximum of 500-600 people in this CTF, but it is triple to what I think actually.
It is actually a very good initiative, and it is helping the travel agents a lot, because they were sitting at home and they were not aware that the market has opened once, and apart from that, in last 2-3 years they have lost the contacts. So in a trade fair like this, where they can see a lot of people coming, it gives them the confidence, and they also are able to connect with their suppliers, getting the new suppliers, what is going on in the market. So it is helping them a lot. So it's a very important thing to do.
Being a owner of a company, what I believe and what I observed from last 2 years, that everybody was surviving in our travel trade, and it's a very good opportunity for every travel fraternity, that it gives a very new opportunities for the suppliers and the agents to meet a new comers, because yesterday, so we have seen that many of new faces of a travel agents. So that is the reason, yeah, it's a very good opportunities. Most of the agents who have started a new venture in this pandemic, whom we don't know, so we meet a lot of travel agents, and it's quite amazing show.
See, to be very honest, अगर वन लाइन में अगर आपको बताया जाए तो ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री वाज इन ICU पोस्ट कोविड और ड्यू टू कोविड. तो ICU में था, तो दिस फिजिकल शो जहाँ पे एक दूसरे से लोग इंट्रैक्शन करके और उसको ICU से निकाल करके जनरल में लाने का कोशिश किया जा रहा है, एंड वी गॉट द गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी राइट हियर. सो इट्स वेरी रियली गुड, अप्रिशिएटिंग. वी ऑल होटेलियर्स वेयर इन लाइक बिट डाउट में था कि हम लोग वो एक्सपेक्टेशन मीट आउट हो पाएगा ना. पहले जो इवेंट होता था, हम लोग उन लोगों से मिल पाएंगे नहीं मिल पाएंगे, वो क्वालिटी बिजनेस डिस्कशन हो पाएगा या नहीं हो पाएगा. बट जब हम लोग इस जगह पे आए और यहाँ पे जो फ्लो आया, जो TTF फेयर फेस्ट जो ऑर्गेनाइज़र है, उन लोगों ने जो फुटफॉल्स लाए, जो भी मार्केटिंग से लाए, और जो हम लोग को जो बिजनेस प्रोस्पेक्ट्स मिला, वो वाज क्वाइट हैप्पी. वी ऑल होटेलियर्स आर हैप्पी. I am also happy, and I have discussed with many hoteliers. They are also happy, and we got the footfalls and audience beyond our expectation this time for this place.
Trade fairs like these trade fairs keep on happening. These have happened in the past also, but now in the current scenario, after a long time this has happened, and this is giving a very positive vibe into the market. At least there is some vibration happening into the market. We are meeting the agents are coming in, exploring the new agents which have been developed during in a span of 2 years. That is really working out very well. At least we are knowing about each other, how everybody has gone through, and what should be the strategy for the future when the market opens. That is something which is working out very well.